So, to save time, I have already put on my foundation, which, trying to make it look good, actually took about 10 minutes. Can't wait to see how long the rest of this takes. So, to get the look I want, I forgot that had red on it, yay. So I actually have to white out my skin, which is going to be fun, because I'm already pale. So adding white to my skin just seems kind of unfair. I'm going to completely ignore that I just put red on my face and move on. This is going to take a while. Why did I choose hope you enjoyed this. And yeah, as always, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see what other stuff I decide to do, hit the subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell so you get notified of the next time I do whatever I decide to do next. And as always, I'll see you later.